Hold on. Where's it at? Sit. Not a boy. Yes. You don't want the ball? He said, I want to play with Boot. Sit. All right, now we're going to do a down stay. Okay. Good boy. Good job, P. Reward your dog. Good job. Good job. All right, you can put him in the left now. Yep, let's see. Let's see what you can do. You need one of these? Okay. He's like, I smell you got some too. All right, go work. You got to work with Daddy. He's still learning his left from his right, guys. And he's only 7 months old, so he's still very much a baby. Good. Now walk forward. Stop. Boom. Good job.